Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Heat your smoker or pellet grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and smoke the jerky for 2 or 2.5 hours. Turn the smoker off and let everything cool for 10 minutes. You can either enjoy your jerky right away or store it for later. To store for a short time, place the warm jerky into a new gallon bag and seal it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To make really good jerky, the jerky meat needs to be the same thickness throughout the meat. 1/4 of an inch thick is standard. It is impossible to cut the top round by hand consistently at 1/4 of an inch. Below is a photo of beef top round sliced 1/4 inch thick.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Get the smoke in the smoker that you want, but bring it up to heat enough to kill any bacteria. Then when you finish it in the dehydrator, the moisture will leave the meat more evenly. You should be able to take it out when it is still leathery and before it gets so dry it snaps.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
When smoking jerky, you need a low temperature and little smoke. Do not use extra smoking chips in your smoker when making jerky. Ideally, the temperature should be just under 150 F65C. An electric smoker will introduce a small amount of smoke, but a charcoal or hardwood fire will generate plenty of smoke.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.